Now that we have the dates, and let's see how can we create ISO standard dates. I'll just use this formatting and type ISO date, and I will convert these numbers to static. I'll press equals, use the function text text. This is the reference, and I will say I want to use it y m, close bracket, press enter. Now I got it. There is another way to do that. I will use the same formula for range, and I would say y gt m gt, and there you go. It's spellable also. You can use text formula to create ISO standard date.